What's up, loves? You are here on this video because likely you've heard of sales funnels before, and maybe you feel like they're a little bit complex, or that you need to be super tech savvy, or that you have to figure out how to plug all these softwares in together. And chances are, if you've tried building sales funnels, you spend weeks and weeks trying to get all of the elements together, from copywriting to graphic design and all of the bells and whistles in between. But I'm here to show you in this video today how you can set up a sales funnel in minutes. I'm not kidding. And I've got an extra special bonus for you if you stick around to the end. So let's get started. One of the biggest things to understand about sales funnels is that it's just a fancy terminology for landing pages that are linked together. Now, if you are selling a service or a product, let's go with a service, for instance. Let's say you sell your videography services and you want people to hire you for video production. So all you really effectively need is a very simple funnel. You first need a way to convey the information to people, to present what you have to offer, and I think the absolute best medium for this is video. Video builds trust, and video also explains in a much faster rate of understanding what your message actually is, over and above just plain text. So now that we have this landing page, there are a couple of other things that we can do from here. We definitely want a call to action button, okay? And that button can lead us into a situation where we collect email information, perhaps their name, people telling us that they're more interested in learning more. And what I think is one of the biggest ways to generate sales using a sales funnel for your services is then by allowing people to book time on your calendar. Simple enough, right? Once you have this phone conversation, that is what can lead into sales. So you might be asking yourself, well, what software tool do I use and how do I build this quickly without getting overwhelmed in the tech? I'm about to show you that. And of course, this here can then kick off a series of automated emails. Again, that gets to be very, very simple. So I'm excited. Let's dive in right now into my screen and I'm going to show you how this works. So I just wanted to share with you a quick story of how this even came about, how I discovered that these funnels could be built in an afternoon rather than weeks and weeks at a time. These are photos of me from Funnel Hacking Live in 2019. I became really incredibly obsessed with funnels and softwares and automations, and you'll see screenshots of us putting together all kinds of different complex systems. Sometimes it required 3, 4, 5 different softwares, and there was an entire industry built up around these funnels for reverse squeeze page funnels, sales letter funnels, two-step tripwire funnels, video sales letter funnels, product launch funnels, right? It just adds up to complexity. Now, do these funnels work? Yes, absolutely. But are you a beginner? Are you looking to just generate sales right now? You need something simple because according to this Forbes quote, complexity erodes your profit margins. And I don't want that to happen to you. So this is one of the reasons why I realized that this super simple process was actually the thing that was generating me 6 figures in revenue with my web design agency, over and above all the complicated stuff I was trying to piece together. Now, this is a very powerful software, but before I go all tech nuts and bolts on you, why don't I just show you exactly how this works? So if I needed to record a presentation showing off what my offer is, at the very minimum, I can simply start with a very easy video recorded directly right here through my webcam on my browser. It does not have to be complicated in the least bit. So this will go ahead and record what I'm calling the top of our funnel. And you could start off with saying, hey there, or hey Bob, or hey Jane, I would love to connect with you. I see the really cool things you're doing. I'm building rapport with you because I really care about serving you with my service. And if you're interested in what I'm about to say, then you can always book a call with me to discuss moving forward in our business. Okay, now I'm just gonna click check just so you can see this for demonstration purposes. And now this is uploading just so you can see this. Obviously, you would want to actually tell a story there and explain what you have to offer. And once this has uploaded, here's where I'm gonna show you the magic begins. It gets to be so super easy to turn this into a funnel. So let's say this video was for Bob. Hey Bob, I tend to use Bob a lot. Hey Bob. So we saved the title of this video, and we can add a description if we want, we can add tags if we want, but I just want to show you how quickly we can add a button to book time on my calendar, and how this now has automatically created a funnel for me. So if I click to view that web page, right? Remember how I said it's about a series of landing pages. This is now that landing page that connects someone into my offer. So they can click this button here, they can book time on my calendar, and then I will move them through the rest of this process. And did you see how quick I was able to set that up? So I want to encourage you, if you've gotten any value out of just seeing this so far, to know that there is so much more that we can do with this tool. Let me show you one more example really quickly. So I have a program called Kismet Story Selling, and if you go to kismetstoryselling.com, I've actually forwarded it to this very simple landing page. And you can see here, this is me giving an introduction, and I am here allowing people to request more information, watch a free training, learn more about what I have to offer. And by doing so, I now get them to put in their name and their email. You can collect any kind of data that you want and then push them forward in your funnel. If you'd like to use this tool and get to know it more, go down to the link in the description. I actually have a behind the scenes video and an additional video for you to get quick started within 20 to 30 minutes so that you can have a funnel up and running this afternoon. If that's of interest to you, I encourage you to click. So I hope this video has served you. I invite you again to check the link in the description. There are assets for you. There's a behind the scenes video going deeper into this tool and this technology, as well as a quick start setup for you. I also encourage you to leave a comment below if you got something out of this video. Obviously, hit subscribe. That would be awesome. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Thank you.